Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials working: a good microphone, updated audio drivers, and OS permissions. Once done, log into the chat or TTS service and obtain any required API key. Make sure the app has microphone access and that your sample rate is set to 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Next, pick whether you want real-time voice chat or synthesized TTS voice. This choice determines whether you use a streaming SDK or a batch TTS endpoint. Begin the connection process now, so you move to configuration. You now configure the core settings that affect quality and responsiveness. Choose a voice model and speaking style, then adjust prosody, pitch, and rate to match your needs. These values change perceived naturalness. Make sure input gain, echo cancellation, and noise suppression are enabled to reduce artifacts. When integrating the SDK or API, specify auth tokens, endpoint URLs, and the sample format, usually 16-bit PCM, and tune buffer size for low latency. Test with short utterances and iterate until clarity and delay meet your standards. You finish by running complete end-to-end tests. Speak, send, and listen back while simulating real network conditions. Once satisfied, save a profile with your exact settings and enable auto-reconnect and secure storage for API keys. Make sure privacy settings and consent prompts are configured. If something goes wrong, first verify codecs and sample formats match on both ends, confirm firewall or NAT rules aren't blocking ports, and reduce buffer sizes to cut lag. If necessary, switch to a lower bandwidth voice model to stabilize the connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.